Hello, people. So this is something I really have to like state and say, yeah, that as of yesterday, there was this one person online who told me, like online as in, um, yeah, on one of these like apps, okay, who told me, he said, what are your view? We have this whole notion, right, that a video should be of a certain way, only then it's like worth watching or something, but seriously, people, if you were to look at some of these top stars, yeah, be it anyone, be it like Rajnikant to even bigger than him, some Hollywood star and all, if you were to look at their body of work, I mean, some of the topmost actresses also, in terms of like the kind of, they are made to be part of like some dance sequence, song sequence or something, and everybody must be like cringing. I mean, actors also, they make them do like this weird pelvic behavior type steps, but they do it, and that's what makes them those superstars, right? So um, a lot of things that we have to do in life, they can be almost cringe worthy, but the thing about life is, no matter how weird or embarrassing something was, you just went ahead and did, you kind of did it, and that alone would set you apart from the rest. So I find that this was like a light bulb moment, yeah, because you name the topmost stars in the country, in the planet, and you will notice this to be true. I mean, as a child, like not child, as a 12-year-old, I had a crush on Leonardo DiCaprio, the actor. But if you were to go back and watch some of his movies, and movies that were awesome, like Wall Street and all, the certain sequences he had to, I don't know, do some very weird stuff, like so that's what that gives me hope, that no matter how tacky my videos, there is hope for everyone on this earth. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.